Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to create this super easy bookmark for yourself. You will only need few colors and paper for this. First of all, mark the width and length that you want for your bookmark and then carefully cut the paper with scissors or a cutter. For activating my watercolor brush pen, I am using a scrap of plain polythene sheet. Now shift some color on polythene sheet by rubbing your pen on it. Load your wet brush with the color and paint some strawberries on the paper. Paint the strawberries in random shape and direction so that it will look more artistic. To fill out the empty spaces, paint few small strawberries here and there. Once all the color dries, we can now do some shading on strawberries. Now scrub some green and darker green shade on the plastic sheet. Take a small tip brush and start painting leaves on the strawberries. I am first using a light green shade and then using darker green over it for the shading. And now let everything dry once again. Once everything will dry, you can now add some seeds on strawberries with the color of your choice. But I am using a black fine liner for this. You can use a darker red and a white color too. For the final touch, I would draw some random dots of red and yellow shade to cover all the empty spaces. Now take a ribbon of your choice and cut it as the length you want for your bookmark. Then punch out a hole on your bookmark with a hole puncher. Put the ribbon through the hole and cut the excessive part of the ribbon's end to give it a more artistic look. Now it's time to try out our bookmark. Hope you guys like this super easy technique of creating a bookmark. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, and if you found this video useful, then give a thumbs up and comment down your feedbacks. Also subscribe to my channel for more such artsy video, and I will see you soon on my next video. Till then, bye.